Hey everyone, so we are ending this freelancing series and I hope you have liked this series, and I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends or share in social media or WhatsApp group, wherever you want. And if you're doing freelancing and starting freelancing, do let me know on my Instagram handle at Rohan Prasad official, and you can always reach out to me or comment down in the section if you have any doubts. I will be happy to help, but again, I am not super experienced. I have shared my learnings and some tips and things like that. I have also researched a bit, so I've shared a couple of things, and let me share in this video, let me share some tips and go to freelancing world. So I'll also bring one of my friends who is doing a freelancing for full time. So we might get some more insight at how this freelancing world are shaping right now, because I'm not into that freelancing. I am into full-time job. If you're following this channel, you might know where I work. So some tips from me by the time I have done freelancing. The first and foremost is, I have been, had bad experience with many clients. So directly don't, totally trust your clients, because they are your clients, and you don't, you have to trust them but not blindly trust them. So the mistake I did was I deployed on their environment and they just changed the password. So this is the real world thing happened. So they changed the password, and after that I didn't get access to the code, I didn't get access of anything, right? So after that, you don't want to go for any that other asking them or things like that. So they just block you and things like that. So I suggest that have your domain environment, take a cloud storage where you can deploy your apps for free, or right now there are various free platform as well. So the demo, get the payment, and then deploy on their environment. This is also can be done, but again, that also depends upon you, how you have relation with your client, because sometimes you have done several work with your client and sometimes they are new. So this is one of the tips. Next thing is charging accurately. So various people are go there in the freelancing world, and they charge humongously large amount. This is not the things how work. Suppose you are hiring a freelancer, and how you wanna get the work done. Do you wanna take a new freelancer for paying high amount? No, I don't think that you wanna do that. So what you have to do is, you have to first, when you're getting into freelancing, you have to work even for free. Some people do that, right? So I'm not telling you to work for free, but you have to manage your amount for that. You have to charge a bit less for the first time, for the second time, for the third time, for the fourth time as well. But at the later stage, I can charge increase your rate or amount as well. But for the starting phases and all, please resonate these rates and manage them well. And again, I told you have to be your own boss, and everything you have to do, accounting to taxes to everything. So you have to learn this life skill as well. So invoicing, how invoicing is done, you can search on internet, you will easily get like how the invoicing is done, right? Third thing is network people. So there are people who even get clients based on Instagram post. Yes, this is it actually happens. They use hashtags, and people on Instagram, okay, this person is sharing this kind of things, okay, this might work. So they reach out and, okay, I do freelancing, and I do freelancing, and I can take up this work. So Instagram can also give you a freelancing gig. So I would suggest network first, build profiles, make good couple of projects. You have working projects. These clients don't give a shit about your GitHub profile and your code out here. They want a working demo, so deploy it and have a couple of apps in Play Store. If you're an Android developer, have an App Store account and deploy a couple of out there. If you are Android iOS developer. So this is how things work. So at the end, you will have a couple of projects, and okay, whatever your gigs you're applying for, you will have certain projects to show to the client. Then you will see the client will see your project, and if they like you, they will happy to give you the gigs. So projects and deployment and showing case. This one of the two tips I will suggest. Then experience, it's not about only money, like experience also. Suppose you are working on a old technology that will not shape up in the future, and you are getting some good amount, and there is a technology that is that will booming in the future, and you have a good work there, and some bit less amount than the previous one. You should definitely go for the booming one, because again you will get experience on that. So it's not always about money, to think about the future as well. The next thing I would suggest, manage this freelancing go nicely, because it can go wrong at any point of time, right? Because everything you are doing, and you never know when things can go wrong. So I would suggest, if you're diving deep, take a slow move and go slow into freelancing and start. It's a good investment and a good field. But again, this were all my personal experience, and there are people who like the corporate job, there are people who like freelancing job, there are people who like both, but there are people who don't like both as well. So I am talking about it's all your game, it's all your path, all your skills. Invest wisely and do whatever you like. So this was kind of my freelancing journey, and I have finally made this series, and I hope that you have got some insight about this freelancing world. And if you have gained anything, like this video, share with your friends, and first and foremost, subscribe to this channel. I am working so hard for bringing this video. For making this 5 minutes video, I have to work 5 to 6 hours, so you can imagine the work to be done. And I am just doing for the community, I'm not getting out of anything, right? So stay safe, take care, and goodbye. I'll see you next time. Also comment down in the section the videos you want me to make on this channel. Till then, goodbye, take care, bye.